Okay, this is a little bit kind of a different setting for me here. I'm actually at my parents' house today. They're out of town and they've asked me to take care of the lawn while they're gone. So one of the things I'm going to be doing, of course, is cutting and just keeping everything nice and clean for them. The other thing they've asked me to do is to put down an application of Milorganite and Scott's DiseaseEx. So I'm going to go ahead and do that today. Another thing I'm gonna do is see if I can take care of mowing my parents' neighbor's lawn across the street. She's a single mom, she doesn't have a lot of time. I don't even think she has a lawnmower. And so I know that some of the neighbors around here have helped her out, and I can just tell that it's overdue for a cut. So I'm gonna offer that to her and see if I can't get that done as well. So with that, I'll kind of go ahead and show you around my parents' yard, talk about what's going on here a little bit, and then we'll get into mowing and getting this fertilizer down. So my parents moved into this house about a year ago, and when they moved in, this entire area here was just yellow, so much thatch. And so we brought out the Greenworks dethatcher and just went after it a few times and pulled out a ton of thatch. I wish I would have videoed that. The grass is looking way better. It's starting to fill in here really nicely. You're not seeing any thatch from the sidewalk, which was so easy to see earlier. And what we have going on here is a mix of Kentucky bluegrass, and I think this is called Dallas grass, but a significant portion of their front yard is this grass type here. It looks like Dallas grass to me, at least that's what people have told me. And yeah, so that's what we're dealing with here. And I think it's about 6,500 square feet front and back. This is the front yard. I just put these roses in here and these flowers in here, and it looks really, really nice. So the backyard is pretty similar, bluegrass, and then there's that thicker Dallas grass, I think it is, back here as well. A lot of improvement going on back here. It looks way better than when they moved in a year ago. All that's been put down this year is the pre-emergent, the same pre-emergent that I put down on my lawn. And I know my dad's been putting some seed down here and there as well, and a lot of leveling too with sand in some low spots. But it's doing pretty good. It's coming along, and it's starting to get the treatment and the care that it needs. So yeah, let's go ahead and mow. Okay, last thing going down in their yard today is Scott's DiseaseEx. This is a fungicide. It is both a preventer and it controls funguses and diseases. I do think there is some brown patch going on here, and so it's good that we get this down, and it's also good to prevent things too. I'm going to be putting this down in my yard soon as well. Key ingredient is oxystrobin. That's going to be your disease control. And let's see what our application rate is here. Okay, so just from reading the bag, they want anywhere between 2 and 4 pounds per 1,000. And they give you the Scott spreader settings, of course. So I'll go ahead and pour this into my spreader, see what size these granules are, and then we'll make sure to put this down probably around 3 pounds per 1,000. This bag here weighs 10 pounds. It covers 5,000 square feet. This is about 7,500 square feet. So we're gonna use a whole bag, and then we will use a little bit more of the second bag. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, all finished here. Last thing I'm gonna do is just run across the street really quick and take care of their neighbor's yard. It's gonna be super quick mow and just clean it up a little bit for her, and I think that'll make her really happy. One less thing that she has to worry about. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, super nice to have that done. I really actually kind of like working in yards that aren't my own. It's kind of a nice little way to mix it up a little bit. And I feel really good about mowing the neighbor's yard across the street. If you've seen my videos from last year, you know that I got to spend a little time with Rodney Smith Jr. And he's currently touring the country, mowing lawns for veterans, but his foundation focuses on the veterans, the single moms, the widows, the elderly, and just really keeping an eye out for them and finding ways to serve them. And tonight I saw that as an opportunity and decided to take it up. So feels really good to do a little bit of service there for the neighbor. What I want to do is just put a link in the description for Rodney's foundation and what he's doing, just so that the information can get out there, because he's doing really good things, and I really look up to him for that. So check out the links in the description for Raising Men Lawn Care. Yeah, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and finish up. Thanks for watching, and next time we'll probably be in my lawn again. So with that, thank you for watching again. Thank you for subscribing. Lots of new subscribers coming to the channel lately. Been really super fun for me to be a part of this community, to share the things that I do in my yard and in my family's yard, and I really enjoyed doing that, and I've really been enjoying the community and the subscribers that have been following my channel. So thank you very much for doing that, and thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.